Good morning, Shane, Mas, hello. Shing, Mas, hi, Mas. Harriet, good morning. Can you say, good morning, teacher? What is that, Shane? Is that your new pencil? Is that a pencil, Shane? Hi. What is that? Hi, Tin. Good morning, Tin. Good morning, Tin. Harriet, hello.
Hello, Halit Yang. Halit, hello Yang.
How are you today? You finished with your breakfast? Have you taken your breakfast already?
ส่งหน้าไปจะถ้ากดแบบสติ๊กเกอร์เขาก็รู้แล้วว่าเรา
K2, hello. You prepare first. Hi, Ten. How are you, Ten? How are you, Ten? Hi. Okay, so we have Shane, Mas, Ten, and Harwich. Good morning. While we are waiting for the others, I want you first to prepare your worksheet. This one, we are now in our math class. Okay, you prepare this worksheet with you first before we start. You have this one. You prepare first this worksheet. Then you prepare your worksheet then. Harwich. This one. Is your worksheet ready? Your math worksheet. You prepare this one first. Yes, that one, Shane. Very good. And Harwich. Then you already have, yes, that one, Shane. What? You answer already? Okay, you just have to answer, you just have to cooperate here, Shane, okay? You have to answer if I'm asking any question here in our Zoom class, because you finished answer already, right? Shing. Okay, Harriet?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Shane. Now, Harriet, you prepare your worksheet, Harriet, and then I want to see your worksheet then. Your worksheet is ready with you, Shane. 10 and Mas. Is your work? Yes, Ka. Yes, that one. Yes, you prepare first that one. Have you answered already? Oh, you are all very good. Okay, Harriet, your worksheet. Harriet is ready. Harriet, is your worksheet ready? Harriet. Hello. Okay, prepare your worksheet now, Harriet.
This paper, Harriet, can do finish.
I'm not finished yet.
Finish and send to you last time.
Oh, okay, yeah, he finished answering it, but we did not discuss it yet. All you have to do this time is just to listen to our topic, because Kito is very smart. You finished answer already, right?
Yeah.
So you just have to answer my question. I have an oral here. I want to hear if you can answer my question.
Yes.
In our Zoom class, but you finished answer this already. You are very good. Okay. Harris, very good. Jane, Max. I think also 10 finished answering it. You are all very good kids too. I am so very proud of you. Now, I want to start. Let us start now. Okay. I want you to listen to this one and we will answer this all together, okay? Listen to this. Just a minute. Okay, we are now in our math class. Okay, you have to listen this one first. I want you to listen to this one for this is our topic for today, right? The missing number. Okay, this is I'm talking about this worksheet. Okay, so let's okay, let us count. Listen to this one first. Listen to this one first. I want to hear from you. Let us all count the numbers from 1 up to 50, okay?
Hi, kids. Can you count from 1 to 50? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, kids, now it's your turn. Are you ready? In a big voice. Here we go. Great. Thanks for watching. And remember, don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Fun Kids English is the place for you.
Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, I want you to answer. I want you to fill in the missing number here. Okay, I need your help here. I need your help. You need to answer this one. Okay, you need to answer this one. Look at here. Okay, now let us fill in the missing number. Okay, all together. I need your and look at here. Okay, look at here and listen. Now let us start counting now and help me fill in the missing number, okay? You need to fill in the missing number here, okay? Ready? 1, 2. Next number is? Next number is 3. Very good, Shane. Next number 10. Next number 10. Look at here, Matt. You have to look at here.
3.
Okay, very good. Courage. Next number is? 3. 3. Very good. And how about item? Good morning, item. And how about mass? Next number here is? 3. Okay. So the answer here is 3. You need to write down 3, right? Okay, now let's go. Number 4. And then what is next after number 4?
รวมให้หน่อย
What is next number? 5. Very good, Shane. 10. Next number?
เดี๋ยวเลข
10.
3
Next one.
เขียน
Look at here.
number อะไรต่อมา
Look at here.
5
5. Okay, very good. Mas, next number? Mas. Look at here, Mas. What is the next number? Have you answered, Mas? 5. Have you answered? Okay, 5. And how about Harith? Next number, Harith? Next number is? Harith? 4.
เนี่ยนี่
And?
ชื่อ 5
Okay, next number here is 5.
5
Okay, now item. Item, what is the next number item? After number 4?
7.
No, this one. Look at here, item. 4.
จะไปนั่งเท้าอย่างนั้นได้
No,
ไหม
4.
เป็นเลข 2 เนี่ย
5. Very good. So you have to write here number 5.
เห็นไหม
Okay, now let's go to 6. And then missing number again after 6 is?
7.
7. Okay.
เขียน 7 พูดด้วย
Number 8. After
พูด
number
ดัง
8.
ๆ
What is the next number after number 8?
แล้วก็
9. Okay, Shane, very good. 10. What is the next number 10? 9. Okay, very good. So you have to fill in the number 9. Okay, now let's go to, we are now next 10, 11, 12, and next number is? Next number is? This one? What is the next number, Shane?
13.
13. Yes, very good. 13. Okay, 10. 10. Next number here, 10.
1 เลข 1 ก็เลข 3
10. Next number after 12, 10.
number อะไร
Here, 10. What is
นี่แหละ number อะไรหาเขียนแล้ว
13? Very good. Mas?
เขียน
Mas?
เขียนเร็ว
Okay, after 12, Mas? 13. Very Okay, 13. Very good. So you have to fill in here number 13, and the next number is 14, right?
4 แล้ว
And then let's go to the missing number. Next number, next number, Shane.
เขียนเนี่ยเลข
15. Very good. And how about
14
Harith? What's the next number after 14? Harith? Math? What's the next number, Math?
เลข 15 เลข
Math? Here, 14.
มันไม่ถึงเนี่ย
And then next number is?
เพื่อนมือ
And then next number is? Next number here, Math?
นี่กินข้าวกินได้ที่แม่ประเมินไม่ก่อน
15. Okay. Okay, item 15. Okay, Harith. Okay, we will write it there. And then let's go to 16. And then, okay, help me to fill this one up so we can finish, okay? Look at here first. 16, 17. And then, next number is? Here. Next number? Very good. How about 10? 18. Very good. Harry? Next number? Hi, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. Now let's continue, Nicha. We're counting we are filling in the missing number. Nicha, you have this one. You have this worksheet, Nicha, right? You finish answer this one, Nicha. You finish answer this worksheet, Nicha. Okay. So you just have to go very quickly and help us answer this one. Okay, Nicha? So that's 16, 17. Next is? Next number here is? 18. Shane answered already. This one is 18. Can I hear from you? Right now? Number here, item is? Yeah. 18. Yes, very good. Yes, Nicha, that one. Very good, Nicha. So you will have to fill in here 18. And then let's continue. 19, 20. Okay. Now let's continue. Help me fill this the missing number, okay? Now let's get 20. How about the next number after 20? Number here? After 20, after 21. Here is 21. I will fill in 31. Okay, next number after 21. Look at here. Icha. 21.
20.
Number is? 22. Very good, Harish. Okay, Mas, very good. And then how about Harish? This one, Harish. Look at here, Harish. Look at here. Harish, look at here. What's the number? 21, Harish. This one. Next number is? 21. Then? Harish. Item. Look at here, item. Come here, item. After 21, next is 22. Very good. Harish, come on. 21. Then? Harish. 22. Very good. And how about 10? Where is 10? Okay, 10, are you there? Okay, 10 after 21 is? Here. Okay, very good. Very good. So you have to fill in 22 and 23. Hi, Anna. Good morning, Anna. Hello, Anna. Good morning, Anna. Anna, good morning. Okay. Anna, we will continue. We will answer this. We are answering this one, Anna. Your math worksheet, Anna, okay? Your math worksheet, Anna, okay? Anna, okay. Is your worksheet, Anna, with you now? Okay, let's continue. After 23, let's go to next number. Next number is?
24.
24. Yes, very good. Next number is 24. And then let's go to 25 and then 26. And the next number is 27. Very good. Yes, very good. Next number is 27. Like that. You have to fill in. And then 28. And then next number is
29.
Okay, 29. Very good. 29. And the next number is 30. 31. and then 32, and then 30.
23.
Okay, 33. So we have, we'll put it here, 33. Okay? And then 34. And then next is 35. Okay, 35. And then we have our 36, 37.
27.
And then, okay, 38. Very good. And now let's go to 39. And the next number is? Okay, 40. Very good. Next number here is 40. Nisha? Okay. 40. We'll fill in here 40. And then next number is 41. Okay, 41. And the next number is?
42.
Okay, 42, Mas. What is the next number, Mas? After 41? Mas, look at here, Mas. Answer this one, Mas. 41 and 40.
42 đâu.
Okay, 42, very good, Mas. Harriet, look at here, Harriet. Next number after 41, Harriet. Here, Harriet.
Teacher เรียกแล้ว
Harriet. What is the next number here? 40. Next number, Harriet, is 42. Okay. Okay, 10. Next number here, 10 is? Next number 10. Okay, Anna. 10. Look at here, 10, 41, and then?
42.
42. Okay, next 43. And then 44. And then next number here is? Next number is? 5. Okay, 45. Very good, Shane.
45.
Okay, 45. Isha, next number here is? Next number here is?
45.
45. Very good, Anna. What is the next number here, Anna? Anna, look at it, Anna.
46.
Okay, Anna, look at here. Anna. Okay, item. Item, what is the next number here, item? 45. Very good. How about that? Next number?
47 ดูด้วย
How about this one? 10? What is the answer here, 10? What is the answer here, 10?
45.
Yeah, very good. And Harris, I want to hear from you. Harris, next number here, Harris, yes? What is the next number here, Harris?
เราที่เชื่อเรียกเราก็พูดหรอกถ้าเชื่อไม่เรียกเราก็ไม่ต้อง
Here. Next number here, Harris, yes?
ก็อ่านโอเคปะ
Harris.
อลิส
หมดเวลาแล้ว
40.
ถ้าหมดไม่หมด
45. And then let's go to 46. And then 47. And the next number is?
ทำหนังให้แม่
After 47. 48. Very good, Jane. And then next number here is? Mas? What is the next number here, Mas? 48. Very good. 10. Then look at here. 47.
คือเซเว่นแล้วหรอก
10. Look at here. 10.
โตตีเอ
Okay. 48.
ไปส่งไหน
Smile, Anna. Smile.
ตัวใหญ่
Okay, we are counting, Anna. Come on, Anna. What is the next number here, Anna?
เป็นน้องนี่แหละเป็นน้องมันทุกคน
Anna, can you answer here? What is the next number here, Anna? Okay. Okay, now the next number here is 48. 45. We have a 45, and then 46, 47, 48. And after 49, is 50. Very good. You are all very good. So the next number here is 50. So you know how to count from 1 up to 50? You are very good in counting now from 1 up to 50. Next time, we will go until, I think, 70 first. From 1 up to 70. Okay? One by one, I will let you count the number. Okay? I will let you count from 1 up to 70 first. And then we will go to the highest number, to the higher number. Okay? Okay, we will go by step. Huh? Okay, next time I will let you count. You need to study until 70. From 1 up to 70. Okay? Because you are very good now in 1 up to 50. I suppose want to let you count 1 by 1, 1 up to 50. Okay, but next time I will let you count 1 up to 70 because you are all very good now, okay? And you finished answering already your worksheet, right? You are very good now in math, in counting numbers. So let's go to the higher number next time. You are all very good, K2. I am so very proud of you. I'm sure mommy and daddy is very happy, okay? Mommy and daddy very happy because you know now how to count from 1 up to 50. Okay, so next time let's go to a higher number. So I think this is all for today because we don't have enough time. Okay, so this is all for today, K2. And thank you for answering your worksheet. And thank you for your cooperation, for answering our online class. Okay, so thank you so much. And I'll see you at 10:20 for our science. I'll see you 10:20 for our science, okay? Okay, K2. So you are all very good, and thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Heart. Heart. Thank you. Where is Anna? Okay, come on. Thank you. Heart. Okay, so I'll see you 10:20, okay, for our science. Okay, love you, Kito. Bye. I love you, Ken. Harry, Aitan, Anna, Shane. Okay. Okay, all of you, Kito. To those who did not, for Kito student, MAP Kito, to those who did not attend yet the Zoom class, please do attend our Zoom class. Okay? Because we have many interesting things in here. To those who did not attend yet, please do attend. And thank you so much. Kito, I love you. Bye.
Nó mà leo.
Bye. Thank you.